Okay guys, here's a quick solution to the whole Rode Wireless Go 2 and the FX3 having a noise or buzzing issue with the audio. I had the same problem with my FX3, so I found a solution. Clip-on noise filter from Amazon, and they're basically 10 pieces for like 10 bucks. And this is how it looks like. Two magnet sandwich together, and then you just clip this on to your cable, and this is how they look like once you put them on. I put them on each end, basically, one on this and one on the other one. This is not the original cable that goes with Rode Wireless Go 2, but it's pretty much the same thing. And then you hook that up like that. That's how it looks like. And you plug that into your camera, and that's about it. That's how I solved the noise issue with my FX3. And I believe the issue was the receiver is basically not shielded enough. That's why it's creating that buzzing noise. And yeah, that fixed my problem. Hopefully this video helped somebody, because this really was annoying me for like a couple of weeks, trying to figure out what's wrong with it, if it was my camera or the Wireless Go 2. And that's about it.